Hi everybody, my name is Alex Gardosh. I help run our graphic design program at Rio Hondo College, and I thank your professor for showing you this video so I can help let you know what our program is, what we do, and to encourage you to check it out. I grew up in Santa Monica and Venice, California as sort of a skate and surf rat, and Dogtown was the nickname of the place I grew up. And this is how I got inspired first by graphic design. Skateboard, surf graphics, and that whole beach culture were really what it was all about back then. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what graphic design is. We'll show you the program, so let's go ahead and check it out together. So what exactly is graphic design? So we're going to run through a little slideshow that we show in our graphic design class, GDSN 110, which is History of Graphic Design. So graphic design is basically solving communication problems for clients who are trying to reach audiences. So you have someone with a product, service, or message, they're trying to reach an audience, and there's us in the middle trying to think of a great way in order to do that for them. So the difference between graphic design and pure art is that for a graphic designer, we need a client and an audience. Now the three general client categories that we focus on are product or things, services or things that people do for us, and of course messages. And these can be things like give blood, vote, and a variety of other sort of public service and other kinds of announcements. The process of graphic design is really about trying to achieve four goals. We want to research the client's business first. We want to get an understanding of who they are and who their audience is. Then we have to start looking at similar solutions that have been done in the past. We do some brainstorming, and hopefully we come up with a solution through sketches and ideation, and then be able to vend them a successful solution to their communication problem. So about those four goals, we want to capture the audience's attention. We also want to make sure that they understand what it is we're communicating for our client. We have to get them to remember the information, and of course we should get some sort of response or behavioral modification. Get them to buy, to go, to vote, to do whatever it is the client is interested in achieving. So also the examples of graphic design are all around us. There's an average of 500 that we see every day from when we get up to when we go to sleep. It's on the food we eat, it's on the clothes that we wear, it's all around us, it's in the cars that we drive with the sort of interactive interfaces and things like that. That's all graphic designers. It's preventing us from getting lost with wayfinding and signage systems from all around us. It's in the data that we use and look at every day. It's in our devices that we interact with in the form of websites, applications, user interface, and user experience design. It guides us to very important services, and of course it can really give power to people in educating us about events that are around us, and of course being able to make the typically invisible visible again. So it's a very powerful communication medium. So how do we find out about graphic design at Rio Hondo College? Well, the easiest thing is just Google it. I always tell my students, ask your Uncle Google. So right there we can get to our graphic design website. And we've got a lot of really good information and resources here for you guys. So there, and all of these flyers are downloadable PDFs. There's our summer schedule. And we've got a variety of courses we're offering in the summer. We've also got our winter schedule posted here as well. We offer evening sections of our fundamental classes. There's great information and videos about our profession and discipline. There's this fantastic one sheet, and this one sheet is a downloadable document that has information about all our degrees, all our certificates, possible professions, and of course our badging as well as all our other classes. We've got our little certificate flyer here as well, and this is something we really like. These are our badges that we hand out to our graphic design majors when they graduate Rio Hondo College. So if we look at the badges that are available, if you're a graphic design major, you get this badge when you graduate. If you get a B or above, you get this badge as well. If you've gotten one of our certificates of achievement or a few of them, you get this badge, and of course you get an associate's degree badge, and you'll be wearing a lot of metal as you walk down the aisle in front of your friends and family when you graduate. It's just our way of incentivizing you to really succeed. A couple other things I wanted to show you here. One of them is our student work area, and there's a great gallery that you guys can check out all the kinds of stuff we've done in our classes. And of course, everyone's always interested in what kind of jobs they can get, or the employment section as well. So you'll see here that we've got labor market data, how many job openings. We've got some great film from our professional organization, the AIGA. And there's a huge list here of just the start of all kinds of job titles that you guys can go ahead and explore. Now, the great thing about graphic design and jobs is that over 75 professions are looking for foundational graphic design skills to hire you out there in the marketplace, which is fantastic. So let me just go ahead and end up by encouraging you to check us out. Come by our room. We're in S302 up on top of the Math Sciences building. Come check out our online courses that we're offering, and we have a really great time. You'll be able to learn fundamental Photoshop, Illustrator, and other Adobe skill sets, as well as we cater to all kinds of students. So because I had to work my way through school, I went to SMC. I've really tried to tailor the courses that I teach to students with non-traditional abilities to go ahead and attend an 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. class schedule. So the way that we're structured is we're really looking at three kinds of students: people who just want some skills, people who are really interested in going into the world of graphic design and maybe wanting to go into business, or people who want to transfer to a 4-year college and get their degree in graphic design or another related design area. So the way we teach, we allow for great flexibility for you to come to class. We have most of our material is posted in Canvas and online videos and material as well, and it's very easy for you to succeed. And that's really what we're all about, is making sure that you get the opportunities that the design world, being here in Los Angeles and Orange County, really do offer. So the course that you're in now, whether it's music or art history or a plethora of all the sort of courses that we offer through the arts division, is just one of our cousins, our many cousins here in the sort of art and creative professional world that'll really help you go out there and succeed, and that's exactly what we intend to do. So hope we see you in class. Ask some of your classmates who have taken our content. It's very, very difficult to fail and not do well. So have a great day, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you're curious, please follow up. Google us, follow our graphic design site, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and have a great day. Thanks again.